Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download AustralianSuper application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store on your Android phone. Go to the search box at the top and type in AustralianSuper. Once you find the AustralianSuper application in the search result, tap on the install button to start downloading the app. Wait for the application to download and install on your Android device, which will take a couple of minutes. After it is done, you will be able to launch open AustralianSuper application and start using it on your Android phone. That is how you can easily download AustralianSuper application using your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.